Hey everybody, we're starting something new today. We've been doing equations like this one for a little while now, a couple of days. And we have variables on both sides of the equation. So we've solved them by making sure that all the variables go to either one side or the other side. And we do that simply by using the addition property of equality. Notice in this situation I did minus 5x to both sides. That means that on the right, the 5x minus 5x becomes a 0 pair, and on the left, the 7x plus negative 5x equals 2x. And now we're left with an equation that we can solve just simply by doing a two-step equation. So we use the addition property a second time. We get a 0 pair, and then 6 plus 2 is 8. And we use the division property to divide the 2x into two equal groups to get an x by itself, and then we get our answer, x equals 4. So today we're going to do something just a little bit different, because when we do this, most of the time we end up getting one single answer for our equation. But there can be a couple of situations when that doesn't happen. Let me show you. What if I were to do this problem? Looks a lot like the last problem. I'm choosing to do it because it's given. So I'm going to decide to add 5x to both sides because I want to get a 0 pair. Do you notice that I get a 0 pair on both sides? Very rarely you will have it where you get a 0 pair on both sides. And I end up getting this answer, 11 equals 6. Because right here, 0 plus 11 is 11, and right here, 0 plus 6 is 6. But 11 doesn't equal 6, does it? No. That's false. So what happens when all the variables are eliminated and you're just left with a number that doesn't equal the other number? That's said that there is no solution for x. It means that there is no answer for x that's going to allow this to be true. Okay? All right, what's the other thing that could happen? Well, the other thing that could happen is something like this. Notice I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides, and once again, are you noticing we have 0 pairs on both sides? Only in this situation, once I add it together, 0 plus negative 7 and 0 plus negative 7, have you guessed it? They're going to be the exact same number. Negative 7 equals negative 7. Does negative 7 equal negative 7? Yes, that's true. So what happens when it's true? It means that x equals all real numbers, which basically says that no matter which number you plug in for x, you are going to be getting a true sentence. If I plugged in 1, 2 times 1 is 2, plus negative 7 is negative 5. 2 times 1 is 2, plus negative 7 is negative 5. No matter what number I plug in for x, I'm going to get a true answer. All right, so that is your one, what should I call it? Exception to the rule. When variables eliminate themselves, you're either going to get a true answer or a false answer. And I'm going to want you guys to practice that in tonight's homework. All right. You guys, good luck. Ask me any questions if you got them. Thanks.